Now we will learn about various string functions and operations. Let's see this program. This program displays various string functions and operations. Just a minute. Show line numbers. Okay. In line number 3 we have taken a variable str1 that is holding welcome back, and in line number 4 str2 is having my dear friend. Line number 5 str3 equals to str1 plus str2. This plus is not mathematical plus operator. When this plus is applied to strings, it concatenates two strings. It means it joins two strings. Then print str1, str2, str3. Let's see the output of this program also. So this is the output of the program. Look, this print statement at line number 6 is printing this welcome back str1. This line number 7 is printing this my dear friend, and str3 is printing welcome back my dear friend, concatenated, joined. Then print str2 into 3. This multiplication operator when applied to strings does not means it is a multiplication operator, it means it is replication. Replication of str2 3 times, my dear friend 3 times, my dear friend, my dear friend, my dear friend. Then in line number 11 we have used len function. When len function is used on string, it gives the number of characters in the string. So number of characters in str1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Space is also counted, 9, 10, 11, 12. So length of string 1 is 12. Okay. Then str1 dot capitalize function is used to capitalize the first character of the string. So if you see is the output of this line number 13 is welcome back, the first letter is capitalized. In line number 14 we have used a function title. Title function capitalizes each word, title case. So this 14 line output is here, this welcome back, W is capitalized, B is capitalized, title case. Line number 15 str node upper means it displays in uppercase, lower displays in lowercase. Then from line number 17 we have functions kind of is lower, is upper, is digit. These functions is lower, is upper, is digit, is alpha, is space, is lem will return either true or false. So in line number 17 the function statement is lower, str1 dot is lower. It means if str1 contains all lower characters it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So it is in lower case, so it is returning true. Line number 18 str1 dot is uppercase, no, so it is returning false. str1 dot is digit, is if it is containing digits, no, it is not containing digits, so it is false. Is alpha, str1 dot is alpha, if it is containing all alphabets, no, because it is containing spaces also. str1 dot is space, it is containing, if it is containing all spaces, no, so it is false. Is alnum means alphabets and numbers both, no, false, because it is not containing alphabets and numbers, it is only containing space and alphabets. Then we have used a string s which is holding, is it really true that he is a coward. Then replace function has been used where is will be replaced by was. Let's see the output. Is it really true that he was a coward? Is has been replaced by was. Why it has not been changed? Because it is in capitals and I have used is in small. So only that which matches this is replaced. Okay. Then s equals to some spaces, then characters, then spaces in the end. Some leading spaces and then some spaces in the end of the string. Then we have some function like lstrip. S dot lstrip means it will remove the leading spaces of the string. So line number 28 output is this. The spaces in the starting of the string have been removed. Line number 29, R strip means at the right of the string. So the right of the string has been spaces have been removed. Initial spaces have not been removed. Only the after the string spaces have been removed, but we cannot see it. Then S dot strip. Again, I have given S equals to leading spaces and ending spaces. S dot strip. S dot strip. Strip function removes spaces from leading spaces as well as at the right space and the end also. It removes spaces before the string and after the string. So it is output like this. So that's all about some functions and operations on string. We will learn more functions and more operations in next video. Take care. Bye bye.